Hey there, new Wildcat. Welcome to the Martin-Gatton College of Agriculture, Food, and Environment. You might be surprised to hear this, but some of this around here is new to us too. A new college name,
and be known as the Edith Martin and Henry W. Gatton Senior College of Agriculture, Food, and Environment.
new buildings, and of course, lots of new faces. It's kind of funny when you think about it. All this new comes here for the same old reason, to find somewhere to belong. We'd like to think we've always been a good place for that.
I get up every day and I'm like, yeah, I want to do this again. So I'm happy doing it. Happy to be here.
It's got that small town feeling.
I try to make it so that our students have a smooth sailing.
Dr. Hirsch, he's one of my ABT professors, and he takes the time to stop people in the hallways and catch up with them. And he's busy. He doesn't have to do that, but he likes to take the time.
So it's not about memorizing a bunch of stuff. It's about being passionate and interested.
Working at the UK Arboretum this summer has been awesome.
I'm very passionate about being involved in research, being involved in like a microbiology lab.
And being able to kind of gain more research that I think will help make me a more competitive applicant for vet school.
But what people don't realize is how much applications that we can have in both agriculture and medicine.
I think the best thing to do is to find a club that matches your interests and get involved.
My kind of go-to plug for getting involved on campus is Campus Kitchen. Feel like you're really committing to something and feel like you're really like giving back to the community as well.
We have this class called AFE 100 that all freshman students take, and it really tries to expose you to all aspects of agriculture. I loved that class.
I feel very confident with the people I've met and the skills I've learned and the classes I've taken.
They want to see you succeed, and the College of Agriculture, Food and Environment really helps bridge that gap.
You'll never know what you'll find interesting or what you'll be passionate about.
College is the time to try it, pretty low stakes. So try stuff, you might love it.
Ask anyone in our college, and they will tell you the best time of year is right now, meeting new students like yourselves. And this year is extra special because I have the distinct honor of welcoming you as the first class ever to the newly renamed Martin-Gatton College of Agriculture, Food, and Environment. You have arrived at the perfect time, and in so many ways, I know the best is yet to come for us all.